Hey guys, so today you are doing a choice board, and I wanted to explain it to you because anytime I do a choice board, whether that is virtually or in person, sometimes students have questions about what they're supposed to do. So if that is you and you find you're confused, that is why I made this video. So a choice board is exactly what it sounds like. It gives you a choice of what assignment you want to do because, maybe you don't always like the single assignments that I choose for you. So here you have an option. So if you look, each of these columns is one assignment. So there are 3 total. You choose one of them. Okay, you do not have to do all 3. Now please, do not email me asking me, do you have to do all 3? No, you choose one. You are choosing one of them. So the assignment on top, it tells you what it's like kind of labeled as. So you've got a quiz checkup option, you have a literacy option, and then you have an artistic option. For those of you who like to draw and maybe color, it'll be a chance for you to display your artistry skills, okay? So if you need a link, that's what's in the second row. So like this is the link for the first assignment, the link for the second one, the third one does not have one. So I'll go over these with you really quickly. So the first one is a quiz checkup. It is a Google form. So when you click on it, it will take you to the quiz. And now this quiz checkup, it may look like it's a little bit easier, but these last 2 questions here are short answer questions, and they need to be answered exactly correctly and thoroughly in order for you to get full credit. Okay, so this is just a quiz checkup. You would basically use your lesson notes in your video to answer these questions, and I would grade that quiz. Okay, that's option number 1. Option number 2 is an article on fission versus fusion. So you would make a copy. Oops. Sorry. I accidentally clicked on my Google because my internet's running a little bit slow. Anyway, you would click on this and you would make your copy. The top is a article to read on fusion versus fission, and then there are just 5 questions to answer. So you would read the article on the top, and then you would just click into these yellow boxes and answer the question and then upload to Canvas. So that's option number 2, pretty straightforward. And then option number 3, if you want to draw a picture, you are going to draw a picture of fusion and fission. So similar to the diagrams that were in your lesson notes and your slides today. And then you would need to label the process, give an explanation of what's happening, and then provide an example of each of those. And you could do, this is like free reign. The reason this is a choice board is because it gives you the opportunity to kind of draw a little bit. So I don't care how you set the page up. If you wanted to do one on one page and then another full page dedicated to it, or if you wanted to just like draw a line down the middle and do fusion on one side and fission on the other, it doesn't matter. Okay, so those are your 3 options. Now, how to submit this? This is important. The submission you'll do on here like a normal assignment, right? So this is the submission thing in, you guys, I can't click student view because then it would tell me it's not available because it's not published for you yet. But basically, it's like a thing. You'll see the button that says submit assignment. If you did assignment 3, you're just going to take a picture of your beautiful drawing that you've done and upload the picture kind of like you do with your notes. So that's it. So if you did assignment 3, you're going to take the picture and upload it. For the article one, you are going to just upload your article. So that document, you're just going to click the URL, change the setting to Charlotte Meck for your viewing, and then upload it like you normally would. And now the first one, the quiz, yes, when you submit the quiz, it will submit and I'll have the answers on the Google form. But in order for it not to be graded as a 0 or to be graded late in Canvas, you need to choose a text box. So you need to click submit assignment and choose text box. And then in the text box, you just have to say, I did assignment 1 so that I can go check it and then grade it on Canvas. Because if you don't do the text box, Canvas is going to say you have a 0 And then if I realize it and I grade it late, it's going to take late points off of it. So make sure you at least submit the text box for assignment 1. And that's just the biggest thing. So again, it's a choice board. You don't have to do all 3. You just choose one of the column and make sure you follow the directions. Make sure you follow the directions. Okay, if you do that, you'll be A-okay.